Let's look at Web Tools Part 6, Connectors and Basic Shapes. When you're trying to come up with different features onto your website, connectors can help you connect different shapes. Not only shapes, you can even use some of these shapes to be connected to pictures so that the information is vital and relevant. So onto our site, you can go to Start menu button onto your keyboard. You can now leave mouse alone, then you can go straight to all programs and then pick Microsoft Word. Under Microsoft Word kit, that's all suite, that's where you will find Microsoft Publisher. Enter, then Microsoft Publisher. You slope very fast. Having reached there, you can as well press enter. Then you will be prompted with the software. The software will load. After loading, then you will be able to come and try to look at websites, where you can find the websites. They're right here. You can choose among the templates that you have got. You can pick the template that may be of your choice. So upon that, you can as well say load the template. When the template loads, then we shall be prompted to use what we call the page. You can choose a number of pages that you want, then you can say OK. You may start to edit whatever that you may not be in need of. You can continue. So upon reaching there, we can concentrate much onto our tools. We can concentrate much onto these tools. Here you may increase the size. Might change the colors. You can get the background. Fill effect. You can apply a fill effect in what you're doing. Then you can still change the font to something else, font size, then the font type. This is everyday business as we've been doing our work. You can have something of that nature running around our closely to that. Then here we can go straight on to our tools. The tools, we can as well see them. This other side, we have what we call the under auto shape. You can go into connectors. Then the connectors are very vital. We have connectors and basic shapes. You can pick, for instance, a shape of this nature, then you can put it here. After putting this shape, then you can as well come back onto auto shape. Then they go to connector. You can get a piece of a connector. You arrive it here. You can keep a connector, that piece. Then you may need to change the colors. You can still come and pick another form of a shape. Let's say this. Then you can align it there. We can pick still under auto shape. You can pick a connector, which could be like that, or you can as well continue. We have this cut out. You may continue to come down and apply these connectors in any way that may really be important and useful by picking connectors. Let's pick this and show up. So where you want to apply a curve, it's where you will try to use the curves as you may wish. You can control and use those different tools to try your place, longer press, then you can change in accordance to the angles that you preferably want. Here we can see angles going far. We are having them onto our page. We can reduce the size and bring you place, then long press, then you drag, long press, then drag. You see, here we can as well long press, drag. Can have undo, longer press, drag where you want it to be, long press, drag. You can drag, long press, drag. So here we are having these features. You can just pick it, then long press, make the size of your choice. Long press, make the size of your choice. As we can keep looking at them. So you go into shapes. After reaching shapes, you go to connectors. From the auto shapes, you can pick, for instance, the curve. Then you can just come here and place your curve. Long place. The more you place it, the more curvy it will become. You can now reduce the size. Click long press, then you can reduce the size. Click longer press, you can click long press. You can now have the curve in any way that might make sense to you. So these are some of the items one as well can use while trying to come up with any feature. Then you can right click on them, then you can as well format auto shape. You can increase the size of the line or the type of a line. Then you can apply the color. You may apply that color, then you say okay. Then you can increase the weight of that shape, then you say okay. So we can have something of this format, something of this nature. You can have it this way. You can still come and auto shape, you format it, then you give it the end. Let the end be with this, let the beginning start with this. You can change to a line with color yellow, then you can say okay. So you could be having something of this format. You can have something of that nature. Still here you can right click onto format shape. After putting the shape, you can format the auto shape, you can give it the end, and the beginning might be the same. You can apply the format of colors. You can apply the colors here. Then you can say OK, then OK. So you can also increase the size of the weight of your line, the weight of your line. Then you can say OK. So we're having this and that. Still, these are items that we have. So you can continue with even others to format them by giving maybe a dashed line, or not. You can give it straight a line. Then you can apply more colors. You can apply like green. Then you say OK. Then increase the size of this. You can increase the size here. Then you can as well say OK. So we can increase here. So we have got another formation of the line. So all these are features that one can apply while trying to grow skills of developing your web page. You can have the colors. So here, these are some of the features one could pick and try to develop them in accordance to what may continue to thrive or grow your skills while doing this. Okay. So briefly, we can end here for now. That is it. Let's end here. Shall continue to have those other more features designed here. That is it. Thank you.